I look like I'm about to rob a bank or something. I look a mess. Wynter. I want to start vlogging more. So I guess today we can do that. I don't know how people vlog in public because I hate when people just stare at me. But anyways, me and baby Wynter have been awake for about I don't even know. We've been awake for about a few hours since about 6:30 this morning. It's about 11 because I had to go to work. So yeah, she's in the back sleeping now. I wanted to go to Ikea, so we're about to go to Ikea. Dang, my face looks crusty. I do apologize if I sound look gross. I'm feeling how I'm looking, and that's that. So I hate vlogging. I feel like I hate when people stare at me. I don't want to make this super long because I swear I forgot my camera at home, and then I was like, oh, today we have a pretty busy day, so might as well like record me going to Ikea to show you like some great deals. But then sometimes this stuff, literally, I hate it. It acts like it doesn't want to transfer. I'm spitting, ew. Like transfer from my phone to my laptop. So I'm gonna like keep them short, chunky but short, you know, so that I'm able to transfer the footage, or at least email it to myself. Know what I'm talking about? So yeah, we're on our way to Ikea now, and we'll see when we get there. I didn't come here for this. This is $5. And the garbage can is $1. Okay, so these are $2. I wonder if they, oh, look crunched. Thank you, Mom. It's so short. I don't think this is gonna work. It's so good. Wow. I'll have to think of something else. We're not kidding. Just a tip, fake plants cost more than real plants, so I don't even know why I'm over here, because I would never ever Well, it looks like grass, but yeah, fake plants are way more expensive than real plants. Don't ask me why, but if you're in Ikea, just get a real plant because, yeah. Wow, look at her face. I wish I could zoom in. Wynter. It's good, huh?